Okay, this presentation is about using the dilution equation. The dilution equation is M1V1 equals M2V2, or for ones you could use B for beginning, and for twos you could use E for end. It's just a concentration and a volume that match. What it's saying is, because concentration times volume is number of moles, that when you've got a solution and all you're adding is extra water, you're not changing the number of moles. That's where the expression comes from. It is only used when we are not looking at a chemical reaction. The only thing here we are doing is adding water. So now reading the question, work out the concentration if 55 mils of a 0.5 mole per litre solution of copper sulfate is made up to. The 55 mils would be the volume at the beginning, and the 0.5 moles per litre would be its corresponding concentration. And continuing reading is made up to 250 mils of water. 250 mils would be the volume at the end, which is the total volume. So substituting these numbers into the expression, concentration B 0.5 times VB 55 over 1,000 to get it to litres, and we are interested in what the final concentration will be, the concentration at the end, times the final volume of 250 divided by 1,000. Now, it is possible to leave them in mils because you're doing dividing by 1,000 on both sides, it basically cancels out. So, reorganising this expression will give you that the concentration at the end will be 0.5 times 55 on 250. Now, the answer to that, when you put it in the calculator, will be 0.11. And as we're talking about concentration, the units will be moles per litre. Once again, this expression is never used if there's a chemical reaction, only if you're diluting substances, which means you are adding water.